Imagine stepping into a crowded market in Tokyo or a busy cafe in Paris, and someone starts talking to you in a language you don't understand. Normally, you'd fumble, pull out your phone, or just nod awkwardly. But now, picture this. Less than half a second later, the words appear right in front of your eyes, perfectly translated. You're still maintaining eye contact. No phone, no awkward pauses, no breaking the flow of conversation. That's exactly what these new AR glasses are doing, and trust me, it's unlike anything you've seen before. Hey everyone, I'm Adam, and today at CES 2026, I'm diving into what might just be some of the most advanced augmented reality translation glasses on the planet. These aren't just concepts or prototypes. These are fully functional, wearable devices powered by AI that are finally ready for real-world, everyday use. Walking into AirVision's booth, the first thing you notice is the energy. The team has clearly put their heart into this, and even though this is their first CES appearance, the setup doesn't feel like a first attempt. People aren't just looking, they're trying the glasses, smiling as they do it, and staying longer than you'd expect at a normal tech booth. I immediately wanted to know more, so I sat down with Roy, the CEO of AirVision, to get the inside scoop. He explained that while this is the company's debut at CES, they've actually been developing AR technology for over 10 years, starting long before consumer-grade smart glasses were even feasible. For years, they focused on enterprise solutions, building tools for industrial and professional use cases. The hardware wasn't ready, the batteries were too heavy, the AI was too slow. Consumer AR just wasn't practical. But now, thanks to leaps in AI, miniaturized hardware, and advanced optics, AirVision believes that AR glasses can finally make sense for everyday people, not just engineers or early adopters. One of the things that really stood out to me was the company's design philosophy. Roy emphasized that if people don't want to wear the glasses all day, it doesn't matter how smart they are. And that shows. Every part of the glasses, from the weight to the shape to the display, is designed so that you could wear them for hours without even noticing them. The team itself is made up of specialists from major tech companies and top universities, covering everything from optics to AI software and hardware design. But the guiding question is simple. Will a normal person actually want to wear this? And from my first impressions, the answer is an emphatic yes. The glasses are light, sleek, and subtle. They don't scream tech gadget. Roy even mentioned that he's worn them in presentations and meetings, and people didn't even realize they were smart glasses. Trying them on for the first time was a jaw-dropping moment. They are incredibly lightweight, and the display is crisp but subtle. You can still see everything around you. The lenses are transparent, and the information feels like it's layered into the real world rather than blocking it. This isn't VR where you re-immersed in a virtual environment. You still fully present in the real world. And then comes the killer feature, real-time translation. And when I say real-time, I mean half a second from spoken word to translated text. That's fast enough to maintain a natural conversation. The glasses support over 100 languages and can automatically detect the language being spoken, translating it into your preferred language seamlessly. No fumbling through settings, no awkward lag, just smooth, immediate translation. Imagine walking through Tokyo and someone switches mid-conversation from Japanese to English. These glasses keep up effortlessly. The speed alone is impressive, but what really sets this apart is the accuracy. Many translation tools fail because they don't account for context, tone, or nuance. But these glasses leverage advanced AI engines that deliver natural-sounding translations. You're not just reading words, you're understanding the meaning instantly. And for travelers or professionals, this can be a game changer. Conversations flow naturally. Eye contact is maintained and you feel connected rather than disconnected from the person you're speaking to.